Hi, I am Shali Prasad Bechan from the Investment Directorate of the Ministry of Trade and Industry. As one of the frontline ministries within the government of Trinidad and Tobago, the Ministry of Trade and Industry plays a pivotal role in creating an environment to facilitate business and investment. Join us as we share with you some of the incentives offered by the ministry to support the development and growth of your business.
Hi, I am Roshana Singh from the Investment Directorate of the Ministry of Trade and Industry. Let's take a look at the support available to existing SMEs through the Grant Fund facility. Are you producing a high value added product or service and have been in operations for at least 2 years? Are you seeking to take your operations to the next level, increase your productivity, grow your exports? Well, the Grant Fund facility may be for you. This facility provides funding for the acquisition of new machinery, equipment, and in some cases, software, tools, and patents for new technology to be used in approved activities in specific sectors. These sectors include manufacturing, agriculture and agri-processing, financial services, maritime services, creative industries, software design and applications, fish processing, and aviation services. The Grant Fund facility targets small and medium-sized enterprises that are legally registered in Trinidad and Tobago. Companies can access financing up to $250,000 to meet at least 50% of the cost of their acquisition. However, you will be required to show evidence that your business can cover the remaining costs. Several SMEs have already benefited from this grant facility and are currently enjoying the reward of their investment. You can be next. Do you wish to find out more about this grant? Please visit the Ministry of Trade and Industry's website